How to redeem your AMEX or American Express gift card on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your American Express gift card on Amazon. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now keep in mind that I'm showing you how you can redeem an American Express gift card on your Amazon, not to redeem your American Express gift card which you brought from Amazon. For that, we already have another video. If you want to learn to redeem your American Express gift card which you brought from Amazon or any of the other online stores, you can check out our other video. I'm also going to drop a direct link in the description box, but bear in mind I'm just showing you how you can redeem the gift card on Amazon and not from Amazon, so you really want to be aware of the differences. And once you've done so, you just have to go ahead and then open the Amazon shopping application, and once you tap on the Amazon app, tap on the little profile looking icon which is at the bottom of the screen, and as you do so, you have to tap on the option that is your account, which is at the very top of the screen. Once you tap on the your account button, here you'll be able to see these settings, but ignoring that, we're going to scroll down a little bit until we get to the payment section, and you'll find the one that says manage gift card balance. So just tap on manage gift card balance over here, and as you tap on the manage your gift card balance, here you'll find another option that says redeem another gift card. So just tap on it, and once you do so, you simply have to enter your AMEX gift card code which you have received. Once you simply enter those digits correctly, as long as the digits and numbers are correct, and as you tap on the apply to your balance button, you would be successfully able to redeem your American Express gift card on Amazon. And I tell you again, the difference is that this is to redeem on Amazon, not the one that you brought from Amazon. If you want to redeem your AMEX gift card, I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box, so you can go ahead and then check that out. Hope this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to also comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.